This Lamborghini Gallardo was left here after a severe fire. It's been fully exposed to the elements and the damage is extensive.
So this blistering you see here is a direct result of the extreme heat exposure. The clear coat has completely oxidized.
Most of the front components are no longer usable.
Ash and debris have fully covered the glass surface.
The process will begin with a full surface cleaning before dismantling.
As you can see right here, heavy dirt and fire residue are trapped in this area, fused together over time.
Pressure washing helps us reveal the true condition of the surface underneath all the soot.
The soot is loosening and washing away, revealing the damage underneath.
As you can see, the rubber has completely hardened due to the prolonged heat exposure from the fire. This is why we need to replace them.
The structural damage is now clearly visible.
The damaged panels will be carefully removed one by one, reinforcing a methodical restoration approach.
These heavily damaged components, including the bumper and grille, will all be replaced during the restoration.
With damaged panels removed, access to the core structure is now possible.
The key here is removing all of the corrosion. If any rust remains, it will continue to spread underneath the primer.
We have to grind this down past the corrosion until we hit the clean, solid metal underneath.
The welding process restores crucial strength to these weakened areas of the frame. Each weld is reinforced for long-term durability.
Sanding helps blend these repairs seamlessly into the original structure, ensuring a perfect finish.
Fire damage affected several engine components.
We are replacing the critical parts now, ensuring reliability is fully restored.
Here we see the Gallardo raised. All mechanical systems, the suspension and brakes, are carefully checked and serviced to factory standards. Body filler corrects minor surface imperfections, directly matching the visible action.
The surface must be perfectly smooth before priming.
The car is now ready for primer application.
The primer creates a perfect base for the new paint, reinforcing the importance of this state.
Each layer is applied evenly for consistent color.
The wet paint is leveling out beautifully. The finish is really starting to take its final mirror-like shape now.
Proper curing ensures long-lasting durability, reinforcing the importance of patience and precision at this stage.
As you can see, the polishing action really brings out the incredible depth and gloss of this finish.
Every surface is refined by hand.
We're carefully reinstalling all exterior parts, ensuring a methodical reassembly process.
We've restored the interior to factory condition, matching the visible quality of the work.
The engine runs smoothly after full restoration.
Final validation complete. All systems checked and verified.
The restoration is now complete.